Let's discuss a question from heat transfer. This is basically from radiation. Okay, so here what is asked is the shape factor F12. Now what is the shape factor? The shape factor is basically the fraction of radiation. Let's say the shape factor between 1 and 2 is a fraction of radiation leaving from A 1 and reaching and falling, basically falling on 2. So fraction of radiation leaving from 1 and falling on 2, that is how the shape factor between 1 and 2 is defined. Now when you have two surfaces, well, we can use the reciprocity rule. I mean, A1 F12 is A2 F21. So that is one of the reciprocity rule. Also you have many other rules, like some of the shape factors of a given surface has to be 1. But let's see what is asked. Now here the shape factor 1, 2 is asked. So what comes in the mind is directly the reciprocity rule. Okay. And F12 can be used. F21, now from the figure, you can say that F21 is 1 because whatever that leaves from 2 will fall on 1 only. Okay, on these direction, because it emits in this, it's a surface, so it emits only in this direction. So F21 is 1, that is for sure. So F12, which is what we require, is A2 by A1. Now A2 by A1 is the ratio of surface area. A2 is pi by 4 d square. That's how, because the front view is given. So 2 is basically a circle, so pi by 4 d square. Whereas A1, it's a cylindrical bottle with the open tap. So A1, the bottom will be pi by 4 d square, whereas this lateral, these are the cylindrical walls, so it will be pi d into h, and you have the h, which is pi d h. Okay, but it's also given that h is equal to the diameter, so it's pi by 4 d square in the numerator, and the denominator is pi by 4 d square plus pi, h is d, so pi d square. So in the denominator you have pi by 5 by 4 pi d square, and then in the numerator you have pi by 4 d square. So basically you get 1 by 5, and the answer is 0.2. So let's, okay, so answer is 0.2. Thank you.